In this lesson, we are going to learn about environmental responsibility. This is a key concept in business studies. Let's have a look at the definition. Environmental responsibility means taking actions to reduce the negative impact that individuals or businesses have on the natural environment. This includes reducing pollution, carbon emissions, waste, resource depletion. Environmental responsibility is not just about following the law. It often involves going beyond legal requirements to act in a more sustainable and ethical way. Environmental responsibility and sustainability. Environmental responsibility is closely linked to sustainability. Sustainability means meeting present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. A sustainable business balances profit, environmental protection, social responsibility. This is sometimes referred to as the triple bottom line: people, planet, and profit. Businesses that focus only on short-term profit might damage the environment, which can harm long-term survival. Why environmental responsibility is increasing? Environmental responsibility has become more important because of climate change, plastic pollution, resources shortages, increased media coverage. Consumers are more aware of environmental issues, and governments are introducing stricter regulations. This means businesses must adapt or risk losing customers, facing fines, damaging their brand reputation. Stakeholder impact. Environmental responsibility affects multiple stakeholders. Customers might prefer eco-friendly products. Employees might want to work for responsible firms. Communities are affected by pollution. Shareholders might benefit from long-term stability. Businesses must balance these interests when making decisions. For example, reducing emission might increase costs in short term but improve brand loyalty and long-term profitability. The business impact. Environmental responsibility can influence costs. Investment in the green technology can have huge costs for some businesses. Revenue, attracting environmental conscious customers. Brand image, competitive advantage. Businesses that ignore environmental issues might lose market share to more sustainable competitors. Understanding environmental responsibility is essential because it shapes how modern businesses operate. Businesses must think of the environment when making big decisions to keep the customers, the government, and the local environment happy around them. Because as a business, you do not want bad reputation. You do not want to be known as a business that does not care about the environment and does not care about the future of our earth. I hope you understand everything there is about environmental responsibility, and I'll see you on next video. Thank you for watching.